Hi, Raja. Thank you for agreeing to talk to me about EFT and how your experience has been with EFT.
Thank you. Thank you, Pooja. Nice to see you. It's my
Yeah,
pleasure.
same, yeah,
Please go
same.
ahead. I mean, I'm all ears and I will answer anything you ask me.
Okay, all right. So, did you know about EFT before you took the training with me?
Yeah, of course. I just tumbled on it, I would say. I was just searching one day the Google. Then I found this. And then somebody else also, in one of the conversation, they mentioned about this EFT thing. One, I think, Dr. Rajalashmi. Okay, she
Okay.
just mentioned to me.
Hmm.
So that created some more interest in me. And then I watched Gary Craig,
Yeah.
and then I watched somebody else. And then I said, yeah, it can help me in terms of adding it into my repertoire of spiritual healing.
Yeah.
Because I'm already into pranic healing, I do acupuncture, acupressure, I do hypno regression therapy, I do Bach flower remedies, uh, and then I also do counseling psychology. So I said, fine, this can be a kind of thing which can probably make life easier for many people.
Hmm.
Okay, and it can be it is a experiential therapy, I would say. Um, so I wanted to give it a shot. That's how I came in contact with you,
Okay.
and you are a great teacher. So
Thank
we
you.
got the course completed, and I'm practicing now. Yeah,
Okay. So you already have an assortment of techniques that you use, and then you wanted EFT. Any specific reason as to why you wanted to include EFT? Because you already know so many techniques.
yeah. Two things, as I said, the outwardly the simplicity of EFT.
Hmm.
Okay, only when you go deeper, you know that it's not so simple, but it has got its own way of arriving at certain modalities.
Hmm.
Okay, it is not like taking a paracetamol injection and injecting. Okay,
Hmm.
though it sounds like that.
Yeah, yeah, that's a
Though
good
it sounds
point.
like that, it's like a paracetamol, okay, for everything, but it's not.
Yeah.
So, as a therapist, I find that suppose I do a regression therapy for somebody, I
Hmm.
can add this into that
Okay.
as something like once they realize what is that they have to release. See, the regression therapy is all about relieve and release.
Hmm.
To relieve your issue and then release that issue.
Yeah.
While we help them to release it, I can also add this to release their emotional charge
Okay.
and
Okay.
which has manifested into something physical.
Hmm.
So this is what I've been kind of packaging it and doing it.
Okay. Okay. And how have you found the people? How do you think they have responded to it? What have you found?
I would say it's mixed response. In terms of some people really find it very very effective. In fact, I've become a strong advocate of this EFT because
Hmm.
I practice.
Yeah.
I practice without fail every day morning.
Wow.
Without fail, I've not even skipped a day because I have some small issues, so I keep tapping it.
Hmm.
And I tell my circle of people, please follow this every day.
Yeah.
If you want a relief in long term, okay, short. See, as Gary said once, it's not a 1 minute wonder.
True. True.
Okay, probably you have some kind of watering eye, then probably you can do once and it will disappear. But if you have some other issues which are manifested and you have been having it for quite some time, so this you have to do it on a regular basis.
Yeah. Yeah.
And so I always tell my people that it's a technique which may sound very simple,
Hmm.
like you see somebody who's skating on ice. It looks very nice, but when you put the skater, then you realize that it is not that easy. Okay, so you
Yeah.
fall immediately. So I
Yeah.
said, okay, it may sound very simple and easy, but you do it. After some time, you will realize that it has got a lot more sense for you because you are giving a command to your subconscious mind. As we all know, when things are only in conscious level, it doesn't affect you.
Hmm.
But none of us know how to remove it when it is on a conscious level. So only when it goes deeper down and
Hmm.
goes and sits in your subconscious level,
Right.
then it starts playing havoc with you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So this one, I very sincerely felt and still feel. um, the more you, especially the setup statement, okay, what you make,
Hmm.
if you really understand, help your clients to identify and tap on that setup, it can give you a lot of release from your subconscious mind.
Yeah, yeah. That's literally a doorway into the subconscious
Yeah,
mind. That's how the
absolutely.
setup is also made. Okay. Okay. So yeah, that was good what you said, that ice skating looks very simple, very elegant, so easily people are doing it, and yet you need to really know the technique and do it properly. And that's what EFT is. It's the art of delivery that matters. So, do you feel that post training there has been a difference in the way you apply EFT on yourself or on others?
I would say more to on others actually. See, earlier before the training, I would just straight away get into that.
Hmm.
Here after the training, I also tell them how they feel. I will ask them to kind of on a 0 to 10. I will ask them to scale it.
Hmm.
What level they are having this kind of problem. Then once the tapping is done, once everything is done, then we ask them also again how they are feeling, whether it has come down or gone up or static or whatever.
Yeah.
So that also makes them to realize that how they are improving.
Hmm.
So the training has given this kind of inputs to us.
Okay.
And also the training has also given one important thing is that never rush anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. And another thing is let the client say what is the problem. You don't put words into their mouth.
Yeah.
Somebody comes and say, I'm too tensed up. Okay, come on. Even though I'm tensed up. No.
Yeah.
First understand why this tension. What is
Yeah.
the root cause of the tension? What is root cause of the anxiety?
Hmm.
Then it makes a lot of sense.
Hmm. Okay. Yeah. So relying on what the person is telling us, the client, their input is the main thing, using their
Absolutely.
words. Yeah. Okay. So anything else you'd like to add
Mm,
about
I
people
think,
who are watching this who are new to EFT or who want to learn EFT? Why should they take a training? You can see YouTube, there's so much on internet already. So why do you feel people would need training in EFT?
see, YouTube is like a generic, okay, and it gives you the basic. But the person who is on the YouTube doesn't know what exactly you want. It's not an interactive session.
Yeah,
Okay, so they don't train you rather. Okay,
right.
they give you the gist of it. So if you have to take a deep dive, then it's better you get trained. So when you get trained, you become wholesome.
Hmm.
You don't do it for the sake of doing it. And I would always tell people, you before you take a dive, understand what exactly you want from this. Is it a self cure or you want to be a therapist?
Hmm.
If it is self cure, also go to the therapist, get it done. If you want to learn it, apply it on you, apply it on your close friends, close relatives,
Right.
and then to clients, nothing but train it.
Yeah.
Because that will give you a lot more perspective about the whole thing.
Hmm. Okay.
Okay, and
That's
it's time worth spending.
okay. Thank you. That's a really good way of putting it. Very beautifully said. Okay. Thank you so much, Raja, for talking about this. It was really nice.
Thank you so much, and all the best to you. You are doing a great service. Of
Okay.
course, for at a fees, but that's fine. That you require.
I have to survive as
Yeah,
well.
yeah, yeah. We all have to survive. That's nothing actually. I mean, I would say this technique is so good. If people really understand, it will really help them.
Okay. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Thank you, and all the very best to you, Pooja. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.